How to read messages on Messenger without the double tick. So, hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the Messenger application on your device and then tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen. Further, you will be led to the settings page, so tap on the settings option you see there, and now go ahead and scroll down to privacy and safety and tap on it. Further, scroll down again and you will see the option for read receipts. Tap on that and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for show read receipts, and with this, people will not be able to see your read receipts. So this was about the secret messenger trick for iPhone users. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.